वालेकुम जी। कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक हैं जी। हम पहुंचे थे जी इस्लामिक डेवलपमेंट बैंक। तो हमारा जो टॉपिक था वो था इस्लामिक डेवलपमेंट बैंक। वी डिस्कस अबाउट द organization of world. So Islamic Development Bank IDB is established on 15 December 1973 by declaration of intent effective on 12 August 1947. The aim of this organization is to promote Islamic economy, aid and social development. There are 56 plus Palestinian Liberation Organization is also member of this organization. Headquarter of this organization is Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Non-aligned movement name. It was established on 1 to 6 September 1961. The aim of this non-aligned movement is to establish political and military cooperation apart from traditional East and West blocs. There are 119 members, including Palestinian Liberation Organization, North American Free Trade Agreement. It was established on 17 December 1992. The aim to eliminate trade barriers, promote fair competition, increase investment opportunity, provide protection of intellectual property rights, and create procedure to settle dispute. There are 3 members: Canada, Mexico and the US. North Atlantic Treaty, a non-communist alliance against communism, was established on 4th April 1949 to promote mutual defense and cooperation. There are 28 members. Brussels, Belgium is the headquarters. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development established on 14th December 1960, effective on 30 September 1961. Aim to promote economic cooperation and development. Headquarter 30 member. There are 35 member. Paris, France is headquarter. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Country, OPEC. It was established on 14th September 1960 to coordinate petroleum policies, including price, supply and demand control. There are 12 members. Vienna, Austria is the headquarter of OPEC. Organization for Islamic Conference, OIC, established on 22 to 25 September 1969. Aim to promote Islamic solidarity in economic, social, cultural and political affairs. Member 56 plus Palestinian Liberation Organization, Jeddah headquarter of this organization. Paris Club to promote established in 1956 to promote form for debitor countries to negotiate scheduling of debt service payment or loan extended by the government or official agencies of participating countries to help restore normal trade and project finance to debitor countries. Member 19 members including Australia, Belgium, Denmark, Canada, Finland, UK, Switzerland. Shanghai Cooperation Organization, we also discuss in detail. Shanghai Cooperation was established on 15 June 2001. There are 6 members, 4 observers. Beijing, China is the headquarters. South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation, SAARC, 8 members including Afghanistan and South Asian countries. 9 observers. Kathmandu is the headquarter. World Trade Organization, WTO, established on 15 April 1994, effective on 1st January 1995. Aim to provide a forum to resolve the trade conflict between members and to carry on negotiation with the goal of further lowering and or eliminating tariffs and other trade barriers. There are 953 members. Geneva is the headquarter of the WTO, Switzerland. So in this slide we provide you international knowledge about the international organization groups, including these: Asian Development, ASEAN, Big 7, 9. Hope you enjoy and learn about the basic information. So thanks guys, please support, subscribe, share, comment on our videos, please.